Unbelievable. They always know where the spiral thermals are. Birds are way smarter than humans realise. I fathom to believe that anybody, any being, could try and be envious or jealous or try and stop someone's relationship with nature, birds and stuff. I can't fathom that. Blessed. Also, I don't think birds are just birds. Very beautiful beings. A mark of how beautiful they are. Near me, there is some Egyptian geese, but there's also some Canadian geese. One of last year's eggs has just been left on an island. I saw two of them yesterday, kind of treating it as if it was a hatching egg, making a little nest around it, paying their respects. What was touching, wasn't just the geese, it was the ducks, the Egyptian geese, the pigeons, the crows, and the little birds too. Yeah. They know how to do unity. But it was a beautiful thing to see. They have a wonderful way of reminding us what's important. I can hear my Egyptian friend. They sound like a vuvuzela. Is it vuvuzela, those things? They all seem to have gone. Moved on. It's amazing how they always find the thermals. Their intuition must guide them. very in tune with the planet. One love.